Morning, guys. We're here at beautiful Campland here in Mission Bay, and go out and try to do some spotty fishing. See if we got anything today. It's about 6:30, 7 a.m. Nice little channel over here. It's my first time being here. Brought the girls, and it's pretty awesome. Very crowded. Well, yeah, we'll just say that. It's a very involved camp site. But I mean, if you got the patience to be able to wake up each morning and go fishing, and you want to entertain your family, this is the place to be. So it's not bad. You can rent kayaks over there. And go fishing. Let's see what happens. There we go. Oh, we got a good one. Let's see what happens here. Not the biggest, but he fought. One for the morning, boys. One for the morning. Sweet. Let's see if we pay a little attention to this front shoreline then for a little bit. Got one. Got my trusty little 1/4 ounce hookup bait. Tide looks like it's coming in. Let's just go see if anybody's awake. No, the ducks are awake. Coots. It's a lot deeper than it was last night. Came out here last night, but nothing. Get some deeper waters. Let's see if we get out to this channel out here. There we go. We're on. Awesome. Nice little spotty. Get him over in the shallow. What's up, buddy? You want to see a fish? All right. Whoa.
Oh, nice little bass. Little guy.
Yeah.
Hookup bait, huh?
Yeah, man, they're the best, bro. They catch everything. They catch everything.
Look at that bass, Zoe.
That's a spotted bay bass. Careful.
Yeah,
Cool,
is that
huh?
cool?
He's rough, huh? Feel the side of his body.
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If I catch another one, I'll call you.
That's nice.
There it goes. All right, guys, that's one. Again, I'm fishing my little California stick and the Pen Pursuit 3. This one has 6 pound line. Hey, brother. Oh, can you call your friend? Oh, was that your friend right there? Did you want to catch this one? This one feels pretty good. Yeah, buddy. He dug in the grass right now, so he's gonna have to. Yeah, he's gonna have to pull him out. There he goes. There you go, buddy. Did you know, he know how to do it?
He's done just the other little thumb.
Hold up right here.
Before.
Hold up right here.
Learning.
There you go. Now just reel, because he's strong. You feel him?
Keep it out of the water. Keep it up.
Hold it up like that, okay? There you go. Reel,
Reel.
buddy, reel. Oh, there he comes. I can see him. There he goes. I can see him. He's coming. Oh, there's your fish. He's coming. You see him?
Keep it up.
Oh, man. See that?
Say, Owen.
There you go.
What do you say,
There's your
buddy?
fish. Pick it up. Pick up by the line.
That's so
Pick up by
cool.
the line.
Thanks, man.
Oh, you're welcome, brother. Right here. Right here. Look at. Whoa.
That's so cool.
You got him, boy.
Keep it.
You got him, buddy.
We can't keep that one, but you gotta let him throw him back. Let him get bigger. He's too small.
Okay.
Yeah, those hookup baits are amazing.
Yeah, they are, dude.
I
They're
should have brought a couple. We just leave in tomorrow.
Just
I think,
cool, huh? Say bye.
yeah, you'll appreciate this.
Huh?
Because of my arm.
Oh, hold on. Let's see that. Oh, sick. Yeah.
Not finished yet, but
Still badass.
the 207-pound bluefin last year.
Oh, it's bitching, man. Yeah, they've been eluded. My biggest is still only like a 55.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, bluefin fishing, you gotta have patience, bro.
Oh, you do. All fishing.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
All fishing you do.
Cool. Hey, I'm gonna put this on YouTube, so if you want to check it out, it'll be on there.
That's cool.
I mean, if you don't mind.
No.
Cool.
That's totally rad.
So just look up fresh one.
Fresh one?
Yeah, fresh, and then the number 1.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. Heck
Right.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, brother. And your tattoo's gonna be on there too. That all right? All right, so you get another one. Well, it turned out to be a good little channel after all. Let's see. Oh, his body's still over there. He didn't make it to the deep water yet. Check him out. There he goes. He's my pet. Oh, there's another. Oh. Check him out. There he goes. And again, I'm keeping my rod tip up, just quick little pumps, you can see it. I'm trying to stay out of the eelgrass, otherwise I'm gonna be pulling in a bunch of shit, trying to stay right on top of it. There we go. Oh, that one feels good. Oh, look at this and that. That feels really good. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a corn drive. It's a corn drive. I'm trying to get behind this fucking piling. Alright, there we go. What is this? Oh, got some ripples right there. Let's see it. Oh, it's a big spotty. Shit. That fucking monster. Come over here, they're shallow. Ooh, look at that big fucker. Sweet. Oh, good job, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, fuck. Dude, that's a 15, 14 for sure. Look at that big fucker. See it? Oh, yeah. It's fucking teeth hurt. Look at that big fucker. Later, buddy. Oh, hell yeah. That was a good one. That was a good one right there. Huh? Yeah, he was 14, 15. You still got a rod here or no?
Just a little one.
His,
Another hookup bait?
yep.
You want to sell it?
No, here, man. You just get the red one though.
Oh, no. I do reds, purples. These things work good. Do you
Fuck yeah.
Do you so I got the guy at Turner's, the guy fishes like every day. He just works at Turner's part-time just to keep himself busy.
Uh-huh.
But he takes the juice and he'll take about like a shot glass of it.
Of
The hookup bait.
oh,
juice,
okay, yeah.
And he'll
Remember the milk?
Yep. He puts it in the microwave.
Oh, yeah.
And then he'll put it in a plastic bag.
Oh, sweet, and just let them sit like that?
Let him sit in there.
Yeah.
And he says like first, second throw, if you don't use them, he just throws them in the old bag and then we'll re-juice them.
Oh, yeah.
Last forever.
Yeah, because that'd be a good idea, like when you buy the new tubes, because they're not scented.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
just throw all the non-scented before you
Yeah.
reheat them.
Do you do the fresh one? That's your YouTube?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It's everything. It's offshore. It's spotties. It's Mexico.
That's
So
rad.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm gonna look it up.
All right, brother.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, man. All right, we got that fucking monster. Stop right here. Oh, we're on. We're on. Let's see what we got. Sweet. Anything else? Another little spotty. Check him out. Where were you last night, buddy? Came out here yesterday or last night, and nobody wanted to play. Yeah, boy. He went right to that rock and just stayed under it. Turn them on. Little guy. And still one. There we go, and we're on. That's the thing. Cool, let's go. Swallowed all of it. Get him out. Fuck. I fucking inhaled that shit. Oh no. Oh no, I'm sorry guys. Fucking, this guy ate that shit. He swallowed that motherfucker. Damn it. No. Sorry, buddy. That sucks. Good one. Good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Good one, boys. Well, clean release.